friends, my name is Sakshi Prakash Tambe. Today we are discuss about supply chain management of cold drink industries. Introduction. Supply chain management is the broad range of activities required to plan, control and execute a product's flow from material to the production to the distribution in the most economical way possible. Supply chain management manages supply chain activities to maximum customer value and achieve a sustainable competitive advantages. It represents a conscious effort by the supply chain firm to develop and run supply chain in the most efficient way possible. Soft drinks generally include non-alcoholic beverages such as bottled water, sugar sweetened beverages, carbonated beverages, sport drinks, energy drinks, diet drinks, fruit beverages, juice drinks and fruit flavored drinks. Aim of the project first one is to understand about supply chain, to study about cold drink industries, to understand the process planning. Moreover to that we understand lots of things in that project. Literature review, supply chain management techniques, literature review of supply chain management. Brief description of the project. Soft drinks generally include non-alcoholic beverages such as bottled water, sugar sweetened beverages, carbonated beverages, sports drinks, energy drinks, diet drinks, fruit beverages, juice drinks, and fruit flavored drinks. Bottled are ready for a distribution. A variety of distribution channels are leveraged to get the final product to the end of consumer. A designing for a plant for a water or juice treatment. Soft drinks is always depend on their respective environments of the plant such as the diversity of the products, level of automation, necessary versatility, the manner of preparing the drink, component and the required form of quality management. Supply chain management activities have the ability to ensure customer satisfaction by making a certain that the necessary products are available at the correct location at the right time. By the increasing customer satisfaction level, enterprises are able to build and improve the customer loyalty. Actual procedure follow. The first step in the production of the soft drink, the syrup preparation. The syrup is sugar and water solution in which the sugar or glucose can be used while the diet drinks are prepared using a sweeteners or the combination of sugar and sweeteners. Basic component use of the beverage can main powder, liquid or concentrated form. Then the suitable dissolving method, mixing process and the helling and filtration steps are used to make the base for the individual syrup variant. Once the syrup has been prepared, it can be bolted. It can boiling step syrup mixed with the main ingredient water. The exact quantity of syrup and water to be used. Then the mixture is carbonated. Feedback control system are required to ensure that the product carbonization is kept within the specified limit. The pack again process consists of filling can, sour bottles, sweet soft drinks. After the filling process, the soft drinks are sent to the distributor who can repack the drinks in smaller quantity or deal directly to the final customer. More about that, one most important thing are we first do supply chain management and study about this. In that, raw water are filling in tank first. In that same time, another process was carried out. In that, sugar was added in tank and make a simple syrup, and then that syrup was pasteurized. After pasteurizing, that syrup was cooling and final syrup was ready. Then that final syrup was mixed with the water in mixing chamber. Then the another process was carried out, that was the carbonation. In that, CO2 was released in nature. After carbonation, then the uh, bottling, glass bottle, pet bottle, post filling inspection was occur. After post filling, labeling and then packaging, and then the process was completed. That is a diagram of supply chain management process plant. Output of the project, micro project, We study about cold drink industries, we study how to plot process, we study different kind of operation in industries. Skill develop running out of this micro project. We understand the supply chain, we learn how to plot processes. Application of micro project: sugar industries, cold drink industries, water treatment plants. Area of future improvement: that is very profitable plant that industry are used in flexible production system. Reference: www.wikipedia.org. Thanks for watching that video.